Hi, my name is Carly Moe, and my presentation is over overuse injuries in the military. So to start out, I just wanted to say that injuries due to overuse are actually a major problem in the military right now, due to the rigorous training regimen that they have to go through to perform their duties. Typically they go through an 8-week basic training, which includes a lot of push-ups, sit-ups, and a run every day. Overuse injuries are a problem because they result in time off work, and then when people are off from work, they're not training as much, so when they're actually out on the field, they're not as physically prepared as they would have been if they were training the entire time. So therefore, a decreased training time directly correlates with greater injury rate. So the main types of injuries that they suffer from in the military from overuse are injuries to the tibia, the knee, and the IT band primarily. So it is mainly the lower extremities that are affected. That accounts for over 80% of overuse injuries. So I looked at a couple studies that collected data on overuse injuries in the military, and they found out that women actually suffer from overuse injuries far more than men, over a 10% difference at least. And overuse injuries were related to having a high arch, or having knock knees, or actually any general knee alignment issues were related to getting injured. In addition, the people that ran a greater distance every day, they also developed more injuries than people that ran a shorter distance. So they also found out some risk factors associated with getting injured. So age had quite a bit of a deal with it. The older you were, the more likely you were to get injured. As I said in the last slide, women were more likely to get injured than men. Physical factors, people that were less physically prepared were more likely to get injured. People that were slower runners or less strong in weight training were more likely to get injured. Also, people that had low flexibility and also high flexibility were more likely to get injured. People that prior to training lived a pretty sedentary life were also more prone to injuries. Sorry, it's not going to the next slide. There we go. So some prevention tactics that I found. Ankle braces were very helpful in preventing ankle-related injuries. Also, if they were going on shorter runs every day, that helped to prevent stress fractures. The people that were more strong and had more flexibility, they were more likely to not get injured. So physical preparedness was pretty key. And then of course smoking had a negative effect on performance, which is I would have expected that. So here are my references. I took about 5 references from overuse injuries in the military. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for watching.